I've got a name for you again. Part 2, Mr. Will.
Part 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
So where are you at, Douglas?
Right, I've started carving it. It's not a simple job, but I've started doing the shaping. And I've got to get the edges down to just, well, a quarter. So let's call it 1/4 inch, or 6 1/4 mil. Okay, the edges. And that will come into about there. The inch, it'll roughly be around about that mark, round it.
Hang on a second, so it's about that thick there, yeah?
No, 1/4 inch there.
Yeah.
That's to be 1/4 inch.
What do you reckon that is there now? About
half, is it? Under half now.
Under half?
Yeah, or do you want it in millimeters? 12.
So just roughly for visual
It's
reasons.
going to go down to 6 1/4 initially.
Okay, so how thick is that?
How thick are you?
Just fucking tell me, Doug.
That.
How thick is that? Yeah, how much?
That's that thick. 6 1/4.
Yeah, so that bit we're pointing at just.
There's the bit now, and it's got to go down to that.
Yeah,
thick.
let me film it then.
What are you sitting down there for, you dozy twat?
It's supposed to be visual.
Visual,
You
right?
turd.
Okay, there. That's how deep it's going to be, all the way around the edge. Oh, I've already flattened that side off.
Let's have a look then. Put your
Flatometer on it.
no, put your measuring tool on it again.
That they are flat.
Yeah, no, put your measuring tool on so we can see how much you've got to take off.
Well, I've just done that, you fucking daft
Stop being a
twat.
fucking
That's how
bastard.
thick it's going to be on the edge.
That's it. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah.
Well, that's what I did before, you bloody dozy turd. Okay, so that goes all the way around at that thickness.
Okay. Yeah. Marvelous. So there's plenty to still come off.
Yes, it's plenty. Well, yes, but the top bit now isn't almost carved to that's the right thickness now.
I can see the hack marks.
Yeah, well, yeah, I've been hacking at it.
Yeah.
And this is the, you'll leave a lump there for joy. That's a nice little, there's a lump for joy.
For joy.
Yeah, it's the joy lump. And then you just carve it round, and you just keep carving it until it's right. Then I have to carve the inside the same thickness, except the middle centre section will be slightly thicker.
How do you know?
Than 1/4 inch.
How do you know that you're not going to go through? I know it sounds a silly question.
Well, it isn't a silly question, but I keep measuring it. I've got a measurometer.
Oh, that extends all the way to the middle.
That's not it. I've
That's
put it up here somewhere.
That isn't it. Yeah.
Oh, it's up
This
there.
one there, look, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks like something that you'd find in a ladies' clinic.
I actually made some
Plastic surgery.
measuring tools
Yeah.
out of wood
I get you. Yeah.
with a nail and a screw,
Yeah, yeah,
and that you can do the same. It does the same as
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah.
So there's your thicknesser,
yeah.
and so we'll use that as 1/4 inch. I'll set that to 1/4, which I already have.
Yeah.
And then I can just go round and make
Yeah,
sure
yeah,
I've got
yeah.
the right thickness.
Yeah, and all the way through it, all the way. Yeah, all the
Well,
way.
no, I can't measure the.
Well, you can get to the middle. You
I'll
know.
get the shape right, and then I have to start carving out the inside.
Yeah, of course. But you can get to about there with that thing, can't you?
No, it'll go right to the middle.
Oh, really?
I'll show you.
Some visual.
Right.
Oh, there you go. Well, let's put it the furthest.
It is.
Yeah, not bad. Close enough for me, Doug.
That isn't cut out yet, so
Yeah.
it will be cut. It's close enough.
Okay.
I say I used to have the old wooden things, but they were hanging in the roof up there, and now they're not there because they went up in the fire.
Yeah, yeah, brilliant. Okay. Well, not brilliant. You had a fire, but brilliant. That I don't know why I said brilliant. To be honest with you. Okay, so that's that bit.
That's the
top?
back.
Is that the back?
That's the back. This is the top, which I've done nothing
Spruce.
to.
Nothing to.
Nothing. Well, I've shaped a bit of it.
Okay.
As you can see, I've shaped the thickness. Its thickness.
Yeah.
And I've started carving it sideways, but I've done nothing this week because I've been overwhelmed with repairs. There's the fingerboard.
Overwhelmed.
I have, and there's the fingerboard for the Jimmy's strap.
Hang on a second. So, Mr. Will, guitar.
Mr. Will,
Yeah.
yes.
So that's it then for today.
That's all I've done today so far. I will be carving more later.
Okay. So you plan. What's the next stage is then next few days?
Just carving
Just
away.
carrying on. Yeah.
And when I get a day on my own, I shall be bending the sides, which are there.
Aye, yeah.
I've cut them to size.
I thought your doctor said you can't bend.
So I've cut them to size, the right thickness, 2 5/8.
Yeah.
Okay, and they will be bent on my bending machine. Well, it won't be as bent as you.
Don't tell your doctor. Ah, the 5 minutes alarm's up. Okay, so that's Mr. Will Part 2.
Yeah.
Finished.
Okay.
What do you think about that?
Oh, very good.